Hello, my name's Gail and this is my hand.
Hello, my name's Zainab and this is my hand.
We're the first years and we made this.
But this bit broke off.
Doesn't matter, still a great idea from Bedgebury School. Now what they did was to roll out some modelling clay and they stuck their hands into it. When they pulled their hand out, they'd created an impression. And into that, they poured some plaster of Paris. Now you get the instructions for mixing this on the box. There it is, just slop it in. And they left that to dry overnight. And next morning, when they peeled back the clay, they were left with a hand model. Well, I've thought of my own way of creating this art attack, the tasty way. What I've done is I've rolled out some fondant icing, and I'm going to stick my hand into it to create an impression. There it is, just press it right in there as far as it can go. Quite hard work, this. There it is, there's an impression. And into that, I'm going to pour not plaster of Paris, but molten chocolate. Look at this. I've got to be careful with this because it's very hot. I'm just going to pour it in there. Oh, if only you could smell this. But you can't because we haven't got smelly vision yet. But look at that. I'm just going to pour it in there, right into the thumb. There it is. And I'll leave that to set overnight in the fridge. And next day, peel back the fondant icing. There it is, push it right back. And there it is. Chocolate fingers. Only this bit broke off. See you next week. Ta-ra!